So I went to the beauty supply store yesterday and I got some African Pride Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Oil Shampoo. It does have coconut oil and honey in this one. It smells so bomb, y'all. So bomb. And I also got the conditioner to go with it. And this one has chocolate in it. And I mean, it does smell like coconut oil, the shampoo, the little hint of chocolate, but it's like that bomb chocolate that goes on that sexy brown, skin. And then I also got some of the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Not Leave-In Conditioner, Detangler, because I feel like my hair is like so dry right now from just not taking care of it, moisturizing it. But like I said, I have to be more persistent on everything, so I'm about to be more persistent on my hair. So this one was $7.99. And then I got some of this Shine and Mist Spray, because I need that shine, for them silky curls. And then I also got some silicone mix, which I am about to do right now because I seriously need a hair treatment. Like, seriously, let me open it up for y'all. So basically, this is like the hair mayonnaise with mayonnaise, egg, coconut oil, avocado oil, or whatever you want to call it. People do theirs in different ways. But mine has with Moroccan oil and carotene oil. So I'm about to do that. And then I had to double up on some more eyelash glue. And then I seen this in the beauty supply store. So honey, I think I'm gonna try to go for the medium arch because I think that's how my arch should look anyway. So I'm gonna test this out on the camera for y'all. So I think this is gonna be almost like a random video, but it has to do with hair and just basically self-care. So then it gives you the instructions on the back, how to use, just brush your own eyebrows out, put them up like that. I think I might even try to wax my eyebrows today. So maybe y'all will see that. And also I wanted some curved nails because my other ones are really straight. So I'm going to be trying to do my nails this week. I'm actually going to go to Sally's to see if they have a bigger brush than what I have been using. So yeah, all this stuff came up to about $55 or something like that. But I had earned 10 points because remember I told y'all to sign up and get the discounts. Sign up and earn your points, and I pretty much had $10 off. So I got all this stuff for about $55. I think I spent about $55, but I got it for $45 or something like that. Or maybe it was close to $60. I don't know. It's something, but I normally pay like $40-something. So yeah, this stuff smells so bomb. And I actually just asked all my queens on Snapchat what do they use. Excuse me. And I'm going to be trying some different stuff, but I wanted to try this one. And y'all, look at that. Family size. Okay. For $9. Okay. This is going to be good. So, let's get busy. Okay, guys. As you can see, my hair is this color. So, the lavender and the rich eggplant is faded away. And my hair could use some toner. But I'm not going to be dyeing my hair right now. It looks matted, which it's not really matted. It's just not combed out. So, my hair is starting to grow a lot. Don't get it twisted. Sister do got some hair growing. Remember, I was letting the middle part grow than the sides. The sides is starting to grow in too. I should have just let it grow all even, but now it's once upon a time uneven again. So I'm just gonna comb this out real quick, and then I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair with these two right here. And I'm going to use the silicone mix because the silicone mix says wash your hair and apply with massages. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes for the best results. Cover hair with shower cap and wrap it with a hot towel and rinse. So let me just pick up my hair. Y'all can, ooh, ooh, that hurts. Y'all gotta start taking better care of my hair. So I do got like a little mini fro. So yes, this is on my hair. I only got about this much little shedding coming out that I just picked through. Probably a little bit on my shirt. Okay, got some scalp coming through. I don't like that. Y'all, we're gonna go to braid my hair a little bit. Hey, you know what? Y'all think my hair is long enough for some knotless braids? I was almost thinking about getting a blonde bob quick weave. What do y'all think? Get a blonde bob weave, you know, little feather bangs on the side or something. I don't know, I'm gonna get in the shower and see if I can show y'all what my hair looks like wet or whatever. We'll see. Okay, you guys, I am now out of the shower. Y'all, I'm gonna have to bring my other ring light, my bigger one, back in here for more brightness. But you guys, look at my hair. It looks so much more healthier. And I don't know about you guys, but when I wash my hair, I always buy shampoo and conditioner, but I really prefer just to wash my hair with conditioner because I think that conditioner works better for my hair. I feel like shampoo kind of strips my hair, if that makes sense. But y'all, as y'all can see, my curls are back popping. I can comb through it. My hair is actually looking blonde and not like that green color. Maybe that's what that silicone mix was too. I also should have bought that purple shampoo and it would have got rid of the color. So I actually do feel like my hair is very moisturized. I'm going to oil it down, but I am going to put a little bit of this Detangler in here. It says, apply generously and work through sections with a wide tooth comb. For thick, coarse curls, use a generous amount and leave in and completely detangle hair before applying pure honey styling products. So, yeah, I'm going to leave this in here in my hair. They said a generous amount. This is kind of thick. So I think I'll just be using probably like 50 cents worth, 2/4. You know how people say dime size, and I'm going to use 2/4. When you actually rub it in, it actually comes out like lotion. Yo, my hair smells so good. And when I tell y'all that chocolate, that conditioner, it looked like a peanut butter color. And baby, that smells so good. They did not play about that chocolate smelling because it smelled good. I am getting a little bit of shedding, as you can see. Let's take my comb and let's go through it, baby. Ooh-wee. Dang, every time I want to put my hair in a ponytail so y'all can see, I never have a freaking scrunchie. Y'all, I really got to start doing better about that. Okay. Come through. Come through, honey. Y'all, and I can really smell, dang, mama just blowing me up. Y'all know I'm asking her about should I get a blonde, do like some type of blonde color, you know. And so she said that she doesn't really like blonde, you know, just straight blonde. You got to mix it in with a little color. But y'all know that I'm a deeper complexion of color. So, honey, we can pretty much rock anything. And plus, I ain't gonna let nobody tell me different. You feel me? It's my head. Who gonna stop me? But yo, this smells so freaking good. Let me go find a scrunchie because I gotta put this into the ponytail. I ain't gonna play no games this year. Okay, I'm back. Y'all, my hair feels so freaking bomb. I mean, so bomb. I mean, hope y'all can see that. Are my curls still popping? Or am I losing it? Anyways, okay. Let me just see if I can just section off this little piece since this is the longest anyway. Take about that much from right here. Comb that out. Oh yeah. Come on, curls, don't start playing now. How many of y'all put y'all ponytail? I put my ponytail like this way, but I noticed some people put their ponytails like this way. I think that's crazy. Let's see. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Okay. Ooh-wee. Oh, man. Honey, you was growing your hair. Yo, how often should I do a silicone mix on my hair? I don't know. I think, well, I can't remember if I ever done a silicone mix on my hair. I usually would about that little ORS stuff. Ooh, okay. Got a little curl gang coming back there. Curl gang. Okay, y'all. Yeah, I'm really liking that. Y'all, I might be able to try some finger waves, but I do not want to put a whole bunch of product in my hair right now since I just washed it. And I kind of need the silicone mix and, you know, all this luxurious stuff to, you know, do its job. But, you know, let's see. Well, that ain't helping. Okay. That's why I like my hair to be, you know, smooth and sleek. Okay. I think that's probably going to be the end of this video. I'm about to make another video, and I'm actually going to... Yeah, I need to help me get my spot. On backwards. Yeah, I need to help me get my spot because I need my peace and quiet when I'm trying to make my videos. But yeah, I need some peace and quiet when I'm doing my videos. Bro, I cannot wait to freaking move. I do like that little piece, that little swirly swirl. Ain't that what y'all be doing sometimes? Oop, there it is. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all go buy this stuff at the beauty supply store, or at least try it out. I was just so intrigued that it smelled good, and it just had cream of nature on there. And honey, I think we got something going. I mean, it really made my hair feel soft, luxurious. I wish I would have dyed my hair that cherry red, but I'm just let it grow now because of the blonde or whatever color this is almost out. As you can see, my roots is black as hell. I cannot do black hair. I do not look good in black hair. But y'all, comment down below what color blonde I should look for. Let me show y'all this picture real quick. I was looking at light skin Keisha, and I'm pretty sure, I don't think they're gonna have this color at the beauty spot store unless I actually buy some bundles from somebody. But if I buy some bundles for somebody, honey, I'm gonna need a sew in, and y'all gonna be seeing me wearing blonde for a good minute. But I'm like, if I just get a quick weave with some cheap weave, then I'm not tripping. I'll take it out in about 2-3 weeks. But if I get a bob made, or if I actually purchase a bob, baby, it's on and popping. But this is the type of blonde that I was thinking. It's more like that whitish blonde. Let me see if I can find a better picture. But yeah, because I don't think that I like that yellow blonde. I don't know. Matter of fact, in the comments down below, leave me what color blonde I should get if I decide to do it. And make sure y'all leave like the number beside it so I can actually look it up, or DM me a picture so I can compare the colors or something. Because I think that we all deserve some glow on this channel. Because a sister's not trying to put on her bonnet unless it's going to sleep in. You feel me? Like, I'm trying to have edges snatched. I'm finna do my nails. And if I can't get them right, honey, I'm going to pop them G-things back off again. I'm going to do it again. Because we got to look right this year. Don't play no games. All right, but I will see y'all in the next video. And I'm going to try to find my my needle and thread so that I can change out my elastic bands in my red wig. And I'm going to actually flat iron her so we can so we can see the ombre color. So thank you for coming to the palace today. I'll see y'all in the next one.